Investing they'll eat you alive. It looks like I'm lonely and I don't have any more food. Your cat knows more about investing than you do. Wakey, wakey. Wake up! You're having that chocolate nightmare again. It's awful. Don't worry. Cocoa Puffs Direct has all kinds of delicious treats. Delicious chocolate. Easy to understand even for the choco adventure. Wow. Thanks, Testacat. I'll look into it in the morning. Or sooner. Introducing new Cocoa Puffs Direct. Do you want some Cocoa Puffs? Part of this complete breakfast for a limited time only.
You made today's playdate super! Yeah!
See you tomorrow!
And he wished on the dragon scale, and that's what started Dragon Tales. Around the room the dragons flew, but Emmy and Max knew what to do. They climbed on the backs of the dragon friends. Now the adventure's never